Can you tell me about typography?
Oh, typography. That's a great question. It's more than just picking a pretty font.
Yeah, it's like the voice of the brand, but in written form.
If you're spending hours for searching right notes, summarizing long documents, video clips, social media videos, podcasts, then what if I told you? There is an AI tool that will help you to do all the heavy lifting for you. Even you can make audio podcasts from any blog, YouTube videos and upload them to Spotify. Even if your exam tomorrow, you can summarize all of your notes in a single click to prepare for your exam with minimal efforts and time. Today I'll show you what Notebooklm is and practical ways to use it for content creators, freelancers, business owners, for research purpose, for productivity boost, and many more things will happening today in this video. So make sure to watch this video till end. So let's start this video. Notebooklm is an AI-powered research assistant by Google, almost like ChatGPT. Instead of searching the whole internet, it just focus on your own documents, whether they are PDFs, articles, research paper, notes, anything. Imagine you are writing a video script, but you have 10 different resources. Instead of spending hours to manually reading everything, you just upload your files to Notebooklm and just ask. Within a second, it gives you a structured summary. And let's see how it actually works. Upload your documents. You can upload PDFs, Google Docs, meeting notes, or even YouTube transcript. For example, if you are a freelance writer, you can just upload client's brief and instantly Notebooklm will do all the things for you. Like write the prompt, what are the top 5 key takeaways, and it will generate a summary for you. This is perfect for students who need quick structure for notes. Or even if you are a content creator, you can use Notebooklm to outline blog post, YouTube transcript, or even any social media content based on your research. Let's say you are editing a documented video and you have hours of interview footage. Now the thing is, instead of watching everything and spending hours, just upload the transcript to the Notebooklm and ask what are the top most important sound bites. Yeah, it instantly pull out all the best quotes for you. Then you can use those particular parts to edit that video. Imagine if you are a freelance copywriter and your client sends you a 30-page PDF with brand guidelines. Instead of reading the entire document, just ask what are the brand's key messaging principles. Notebooklm will give you a concise summary in seconds. Or even if you are a student, you have an exam tomorrow, but you have so much study notes to finish by tonight. Okay, but you don't have enough time to finish it. Upload all the notes to Notebooklm and ask, give me a summary of key concepts for revision. Boom, instant study guide. If you are a business professional, you can use Notebooklm to summarize your meeting notes, create action plans and organize project briefs, and this is perfect for streamlined workflow. If you want to make a podcast, just upload your resources document and the details for the podcast and just click note. It will make a podcast for you with 2 AI voices. Just listen to this.
I gotta say, I'm pretty excited to crack this open.
Yeah, it's not often we get this kind of behind the scenes look at how a brand.
Even you can join virtual in the podcast live. Like if you have any doubts about their conversation, just stop and just ask your question and they will reply back to you. Can you tell me about typography?
Oh, typography. That's a great question. It's more than just picking a pretty font.
Yeah, it's like the voice of the brand, but in written form.
Now you know how to use Notebooklm, right? And here are the pro tips to make the most out of it. First, always use a clear prompt. Instead of asking a question like summarize this, just ask summarize this in 5 bullet points with examples. Second, upload multiple sources. For example, if you are researching a topic, upload multiple articles and just ask your question. Third, combine with Google Docs. Once you get AI generated insights, refine them in Google Docs for a polished final draft. So is Notebooklm worth it? Absolutely. Whether if you're a student, freelancer, content creator, these tools save you hours of time and organize your work, boost your productivity also. So yeah, that's it. See you in the next video.